Hey everybody, this is a video thanks to Patrice and a question that he had in the Facebook group about how he can put an icon here to collapse or show, basically toggle hiding or showing all the categories here. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is inject an icon here, and I say inject because one of the issues that um, we found is that this very long name for a widget is in fact, let me show you, an add-on. So we can't do anything. There's no code here to work on. So what we're gonna do is be injecting code into it. So first we're gonna create a script, JavaScript, and we're gonna put defer. So basically we're telling it, hey, when everything loads, then do the following. So we're gonna create a variable called, let's call it category toggle button. Okay, there we go. And then we're gonna select the element that's on the here. Was that an H2, H3? Okay. So we need to select this one. So for that, or at least the way that I would do it is I go to this one because I doubt this actually exists somewhere else on the page again. But we're gonna select this one and then H3. So we just go here and we say blub H3. There we go. And then we're gonna inject some HTML code inside of it. I'm gonna say that whatever is inside of it, you're gonna add to it the actual icon. So let's add this to add they're called font awesome. That's what the FA is for. So we're gonna add a font awesome called, I think it's correct. I think we're gonna see in a second. If this works, awesome. If it doesn't work, there's a place in the design settings where you can actually look for which one it is here the text that I actually got to put there. So let's save this for a second. Let me double check. Yep, all good. Let's save that for a second because we just created a widget. As a rule of thumb, we'll always clear the cache. Okay. Let's refresh here. And if it doesn't work, don't worry. Okay, so I got it. I mean, that one can work. Um, we need to push it, although a little bit more to the right. So I'm gonna add some space in here. Left padding. That's supposed to push it a little bit to the, there we go. Okay, so now what do we need to do? We need to select this little baby there, and when they click on it, it's supposed to toggle this. It's actually supposed to toggle two things. It should hide all this, and it should actually change this from the down arrow to the up arrow. Okay, um, or actually it should be, well, it's up to you. Some people might actually put it up, so when they click, it takes them up. Um, and if it's showing down, it means that if you click on it, it's gonna collapse this whole thing. It's up to you. There's the FA correct down, and the other one is up. So okay, let's target this here. We're gonna create another one, another variable here. Uh, and we are, let me see, we're gonna add this one. Yeah, that whole thing. Okay, I'm gonna double check something here. So if we say max height, I don't know, 20. Yeah. If we say 0, no. If we grab this whole monster, Let me double check because if you put something down here, it might collapse with this or overlap it. So I think we gotta select this one and put a max height of 50 or 60. Okay, only doing overflow hidden. Okay, okay. So so it's 60. Can I do? Right now I'm playing the guessing game. So we could do. Okay, let's do 55. Okay, so we're gonna copy this. We're gonna create a style here. We're gonna call that one uh, hidden category um, list or something like that. I'm putting a longer name just in case the hidden category class already exists on BD. I don't know. So why am I doing this? Because you're gonna see the trick here. It's a magical trick. Category toggle. Uh, let's call it effect. So we gotta add a class here. Toggle icon. Toggle icon. I'm gonna put it here and okay. Toggle. Okay. I mean toggle contain. I'm gonna put it like this, and this is the actual effect. Okay, let me double check something here. We can select this one, which affects this one. Put it up there, and then we say toggle container is that one. Toggle effect is the actual button. Okay. Toggle icon. Okay. So now we're gonna say if they click the category toggle icon, then it triggers um, the that effect, the effect of hiding and showing. So we're gonna put something here that says, okay, click. Let's call it hide categories. Okay, hide categories. Do not worry, I'll be giving you all this code. So on that hide categories function, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna say, I think we need to grab, actually, because of that, the function, we don't need to do that. We just need this one. And then here we say category toggle container. I think it's class list, if I'm not mistaken. Toggle this class. Okay. Let's save it and let's test that. Hope I didn't make any grammatical errors. There we go. See? We got an effect there, nice effect. I still don't like the fact that it's very long. So maybe we can actually inject like a max size here, max height of maybe like something like that, and then we say overflow auto so they can do this. That's up to you. That's up to you. This part is up to you guys. If you want to actually put it there, if you want to control the sizing, let's do 300. We 300. There you go. But this is not required. If you do want to control it, then the only thing that you need to add here is, let me put the code there. Okay, so we copy this one. Okay, and we say that. We say this, and let's just double check. We need to put this one down here. Okay, let's double check if that will work. If they're not overlapping each other, the CSS effects. Okay, so we got this one. Holy, look at that horrible thing. Okay, let's see if we actually need. Well, you can see what happened the moment that I added the scroll bar here. So if you want to keep it like this, don't put the LPath class there. Just remove this here, and that should give you that effect. Okay, there you go. If you don't want the whole thing, you can just do that. Done. You can see it, and that's about it. That's all. If you don't want this, then I'm still gonna leave it like this. Okay, LPath on the Facebook group, so you have all the code. But if you don't want if you want the whole look to actually be full, complete, okay, the complete list, just remove this. That's all that you gotta do. Just remove that, and that's all. Okay, and the last thing that we forgot is the changing the little icon here. So if we click on it, that should change. So what we're gonna do is add the following. We're gonna select this category, I mean class. Let's put it here somewhere. Okay. Copy this, put that there, do this, do that. There we go. Okay. Category, toggle, icon. Okay. So we're gonna say if this element class list contains this thing here, which means if it has this class inside of it, then we run a specific code. If not, we run another type of code. That's all. And what are we gonna be running here? So let me just copy this one. You'll see. Class list. We're gonna remove. Let's copy this here. We're gonna remove the existing class that it has. This one. And we're gonna add the one up. If not, that means that basically we got the other one. That means we do the opposite. We remove the up and we show the down. That should be all. Okay, so let's refresh here. There you go, see? Obviously it looks weird. Yeah, I'm more in favor of the other format because now it confuses the hell out of people. So We're gonna put here up. Okay. I mean, at least it confuses me, but so we have it like that. We click on it. If we click down, we see it. Click up. There we go. Okay. So hopefully this will help everybody. Think positive and big hugs. I'll leave this code in the Facebook group.